everyone. I'm Wing Commander Anjali Rathee, retired Indian Air Force officer. I'm from the course 31 SSCW and I was commissioned into the flying branch of the Indian Air Force in December of 2009. I'm a fully operational helicopter pilot and I have flown the HPT-32, Chetak and Cheetah aircraft. I have proudly dedicated 15 years of my life to serving my country. While in service in 2013, I was awarded with the prestigious Women Icon Award for being a role model to the youth and for being a catalyst in women empowerment. This year, post-retirement, I was honored with the crown of Vogue Star Mrs. India 2024 winner. This win is definitely a testament to the unwavering and dynamic spirit of the Indian Air Force that has been very instrumental in shaping my personality and has helped me navigate through all the challenges of life. I wholeheartedly owe my journey from runway to the ramp to the invaluable experiences and values that were imbibed in me while I was in service. So now I urge all the youngsters with dreams and passion to soar high with the Indian Air Force and embrace a life of valor, adventure and unparalleled service to your country. For all the authentic information, follow DISHA, Indian Air Force's official site. Thank you. Jai Hind.